Hey, hi, hello, welcome to Video Doctor. And in this video, we are going to see how to generate AI images in Mac, which is Apple ecosystems, Apple M1, M2, and M3 chips, and even with the Intel based chips. It'll be a little bit slower, but it'll work. So, we're going to use a software called Diffusion B. So, I'm just in the Google search and I'm going to search this software. So there is this is free of cost and it doesn't go to internet. It will generate everything inside your Mac. You can even turn off your Wi-Fi after downloading and installing it, and everything is going to be inside your Mac in device. Nothing goes out. So this you can just download and start using, but we are going to go a step ahead and we are going to use the latest version of diffusion or stable B you can and use a Flux model. With the version which you see here, if you're going to download, you can use it still, but you will not be able to use the Flux model, which is more realistic and it's current generation. I mean, this year, new news. So I'm going to use a new diffusion B, which is not alive in the website. So which is called 2.5.3. And I'm going to hit enter and it will take you to the GitHub of the diffusion B. I'm just going to select it and you have different options over here. So this is available currently in Mac only. It is not available in Windows. So heads up. And you can see 5.2.3 ARM 64. ARM 64 means it is basically for Apple Silicon chips, and it has Intel based chip as well for people using a 5-year-old laptop or 6-year-old laptop who wants to run AI model generation. They can do it. So I'm just going to select this, and guess what? It will automatically ask a place for you to download. I'm downloading this, right? So download will take place. So now that like regular Mac users, the downloading is done, I can just double click and you will be able to see this diffusion B. You can just drag and drop into the applications and you should be able to get that in your Launchpad. So in Launchpad, you can get the diffusion B over here. And if you open the diffusion B, I'm just going to open it. You have a lot of options over here to generate AI images. You can do text to image, AI canvas, illusion generator, in painting, upscaler. Then you can even train your own models. So we'll come to the later video on that. So first, we can come to the model section over here in the left side corner, and we have different models available over here. So I have this base model called Diffusion B, and I'm going to the home or text to image. I'm going to say cat flying with cape. And I'm going to hit whatever aspect ratio you want, we can have, and just hit generate. So it is going to generate everything, whatever you want, whatever you type in, it is going to generate. See, nice, right? So this is very basic stable diffusion 0.1. But in the model section, we have a lot of different models available. Cyber realistic. There is Juggernaut Excel, which is really good if you want to start with. If Real Vis Excel is also there for ideal realistic images. You have to download it in your Mac to make it work, and you also have the Flux models over here. So Flux One and Flux Dev. So Flux Dev is basically a little bit slower or smaller in size. So I'm going to try and download that. I'm hitting download, and the best advantage of this diffusion B is you can also import the models. So it is a complete proper UI and it's free to use. And now I'm just going to wait for this to download and install.
One eternity later.
Okay, so now the Flux model has been downloaded. You can see over here, you can see the Flux One development model has been downloaded, and you can go to the image, text to image, and you can change the model to Flux Dev 1. And you can see a cat flying, same text I'm going to put there, and I'm going to generate. Now you can see what is going to happen. Obviously, it's going to take some time because it is huge model, and it is going to take realistic images. So now, yeah, so the model has, so yeah, the image has been generated, and you can see a cat flying with a cape. It's just like that. It's simply the most realistic generation that a Mac computer can do, and with the free of cost tag in it, right? And you have a lot more other details, seeds, and a lot of things to explore in Diffusion B. And to see that and explore that, please follow Video Doctor, and we will get you through all the features of Diffusion B.